If you need to reset your password for your Libyan foreign bank account in Switzerland, follow these simple steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the official Libyan foreign bank Switzerland website. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Locate the login section. Find the login section on the home page. This is usually at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Click on Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your information. Provide the required information, such as your username or email address associated with your account. This will help the system identify your account. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Check your email for instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email and create a new password. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.